Alright, today I'm using Bandicam because OBS really messes up my recording, especially when I'm running Unity. So, welcome back to Devlog 3 of the FPS that I'm developing. So today, and this time I added some more weapons and weapon switching and a pause menu and stuff like that. So let me just show you. And just see. Okay, so as you can see, there's an ammo counter as well right now, and I'm currently lagging because I'm recording at 60 FPS with Bandicam. And yeah, so you can basically just shoot with this pistol. It's a Makarov pistol. It's based on the Makarov pistol. So yeah, it's my model, so it's trash. And I also added a grenade yet again my model, so I'm really proud. And let me just yeah, it just drops down and it just explodes. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, those are the basic things that I added, along with the bobbing, as you can see right now. So yeah, there's some kind of bobbing, and if you just run, the bobbing gets more. And yeah, so those were the basic features that I added. A lot of scripts, and I also added this pause menu, and of course this sniper from the earlier gameplay. And there's this main menu as well right now. So you can see I renamed the game to Alliance Vendetta. Tell me in the comment section down below how that sounds. And yeah, so Alliance Vendetta. And so there's a setting menu as well right here. I'm working on the post-processing enabling and disabling, and yeah, that's it. I'm currently in the Unity editor, so you cannot actually see if these matter actually. And here's some resolution settings and just a loading screen like this. And currently I'm getting a huge error that whenever you drop into the game, there's all of these errors. So I'm trying to fix them, but I don't know why that doesn't work. I'm trying to fix them. If oh my god, I just noticed this. Look at this. This is why I told that my model was trash, like from this side and from this side. So yeah, those were the basic features that I added this time. So as you can see, let me just play the game again and show you. There's this grenade, so I'm really proud of this grenade. And let me just throw it somewhere over here. And that, okay, it just passed through the whole thing. Then that's embarrassing, but yeah, so let me just get the grenade again and make it explode more realistically this time. This is super fun actually. So yeah, here's the grenade, and let me throw it near a cube. So let me just throw it right here. It'll just explode. And yeah, that's it for this part, and I'll see you in the next video. And wait, let me just show you my scripts first. So I added lots and lots of scripts. So here's a bobbing script. Oh, okay, by the way, this is not mine. I just got it off Stack Overflow. I cannot make something like this ever. And here's the grenade script, which I got off from Brackies. So I'm really yeah, I'm really glad for that I got this script from Brackies. And here's a Linux script that was scrapped off. I'm still working on it. And yeah, so here's the camera look script, here's the bombing script, and here's a player movement script. And on new scripts, I just added the pause menu script, of course, as you can see, all of this. And if you want tutorials on this, make sure to leave a comment down below or anything like that, and I'll be sure to make a tutorial on it. And yeah, so those were the basic things that I added. And of course, the resolution thing was added due to a suggestion by someone named Tricksters111 or something. And let me just play the game again and show you for one last time. I'm really proud of this, and yeah, the grenade is my favorite part. So let me just throw it right here, and it will just explode by itself. And I'm working on, adding forces to nearby cubes when the grenade explodes, so that's kind of realistic. So the grenade explodes, the cubes are thrown away and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and leave more suggestions down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And for one last time, let me just show you my trash 3D models, as if they are 3D models. But yeah, so I just opened the blender right here, and I don't know if my recording is lagging. It doesn't show the FPS right here, just like OBS. So let me just open my karambit, which I'm planning to add. So here's a karambit that I modeled. Let's go to material preview. It's not lagging actually. And okay, so here's the karambit. I still don't know how to texture. I just put up on basic colors and stuff. And so let me just open the grenade now. And here's the grenade that I made from this reference image, from this one. So pretend that it looks like it. And yes, so, and let me just show you an M4 model I'm working on. Where's the button? Okay, here. No, okay, here, the M4A4, safe of course. And yeah, so here's the M4A4 I'm working on. As you can see, it's not quite complete, of course. I just have the magazine, the grip, what can you say, the butt, the grip, some subdivision of this body right here, and of course the magazine again. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like and also subscribe to this channel for future updates about this FPS. And yes, this is going to be a survival shooter, and this is not going to be online. So well, I'm not experienced on networking, so I'm not making it an online shooter. But yeah, so that's it for this video, and thanks for watching, and leave suggestions down below. Like if you like this video, and subscribe if you like the channel. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.